everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm very happy that you're here with me today. And I am very excited to share with you my finished journal. This is using the paper collection by Graphic 45. The name of the collection is Cottage Life. This is the kit that I featured in my last video. And it is really beautiful. It really takes you to the English countryside garden. The colors of pink, blue, and green are really lovely, and I hope that you like this one. The size of this journal is 9 by 7¼ inches. There are 3 signatures. There are about 132 inside pages, I believe, and the 3 signatures are held together by a crinkled seam binding. This style is similar to what I did with the fairy journal, and I also have a tutorial. If you're interested, I will put the link in the description. The cover is very simple. I had the corners decorated with corner protectors in silver tone. The title of this journal is Cottage Life, and this is from the cut apart. I secured it with eyelets, and then the spine is rounded. I really love this spine. This is allowing the journal to expand, and it is really giving it flexibility. The back is very simple. So the spine is decorated with beautiful fabric trim. There are 3 layers of fabric here. And I love the front. It is decorated with a see-through flower fabric. The closure is a cotton trim in cream color, and this is attached to the cover. And this journal has a very sturdy cover. The base is several layers of file folders, and you also will see that I have here lovely trims and charms in silver and gold tone. This journal is one of my favorites. I really love the paper collection. The pages are embellished, but there are plenty of space and room for writing. Before I attach the signatures to the cover using the seam binding, I already sewn the pages so they are not going to fall apart. And if you want to detach the signatures, it is very easy to do so. You just untie the seam binding and there you go. For the inside pages, aside from the Cottage Life paper collection by Graphic 45, I also use tea-stained paper, hemp paper, natural handmade paper, vintage music sheets, and pages from Edith Holden book. Okay, so I will do the flip through. I hope that you stay with me till the end. I will be back before the end of this video. I am back. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope that you like this flip through. Please let me know what you think about this journal. This will be listed in my Etsy shop, and I do hope to find this journal a new home. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. I also would love to hear your comments. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please join my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button. I also invite you to support the April collaboration hosted by Rach and Bella Crafts, and the title of the collaboration is #HowToBotanical. My turn to present the project is on Friday, which is April the 15th, and I hope that you join me as well. So thanks again everyone for watching. Bye now. God bless you. Stay safe. Till next time.